Hello guys, hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $400. For this we need first step, download application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Next step, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that you need to click registration there. In one click there in this menu you need to choose your current country is United States, current value to US dollar. In this menu you need to choose your sport or something else. What do you like? I will choose sport. Next, the famous is current promo code is ZANOS24. Next, confirm this. I will also clarify that any promotional code gives a deposit bonus only once, guys. Be careful and remember this. After loading, we will see login in password. Write it down and automatically get into the menu. In order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Remember this. If you have, guys, any questions, add them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck to all.